In a breakthrough that could redefine aerial robotics, Chinese researchers from Zhejiang University have unveiled an advanced FPV drone algorithm that outperforms even the best human pilots in aerobatic flight maneuvers. During rigorous testing, this AI-driven drone demonstrated hummingbird-like agility, flying through tight obstacles even while inverted, with a flawless 100% success rate compared to just 12.5% achieved by a professional human pilot. This isn't just an upgrade in drone performance, it's a bold leap into the future of autonomous flight. To fully understand the impact of this innovation, let's first look at the historical backdrop. FPV, or first person view drones, began gaining traction in the early 2000s and 10s, mostly as racing tools and hobbyist gadgets. Pilots relied on real time video feeds to control drones with precision, but human limitations capped their performance and reaction speed. Over time, FPV drones found use in military surveillance, search and rescue, and film production, but their dependence on skilled human pilots and stable environments remained a bottleneck. The turning point came with the rise of artificial intelligence in drone navigation. Leading companies like Skydio in the US, ETH Zurich in Switzerland, and DJI in China began incorporating computer vision and machine learning to improve autonomy. Yet most systems still required either GPS data, high-end hardware, or carefully mapped environments to function effectively. What Zhejiang University has accomplished marks a new chapter in that evolution. At the core of their system lies two critical components: a motion intent translator and a risk-reward evaluator. The motion intent translator converts high-level flight commands like flips, loops, or barrel rolls into precise, executable drone instructions. Meanwhile, the risk-reward evaluator calculates trade-offs in real time between safety, energy efficiency, and aerobatic performance. This mimics the flight logic of birds like falcons and sparrowhawks, transforming traditionally risky maneuvers into survivable, high-reward actions. What truly sets this development apart is that it achieves these results purely through algorithmic intelligence without upgrading the drone's motors, sensors, or frame. In an era where most advancements come from throwing better hardware at the problem, this software-only improvement is both cost-efficient and revolutionary. And even more impressively, the system operates without GPS or remote human input. It can navigate pre-mapped environments entirely on its own, relying only on onboard sensors and advanced planning algorithms. In side-by-side comparisons with global leaders, Zhejiang's drone consistently stands out. It achieved a 100% obstacle navigation success rate, required no hardware upgrades, and functioned entirely independent of GPS, something that even top-tier systems from Skydio or DJI still struggle to match. And unlike conventional drones, it handles complex maneuvers more gracefully, with less recovery time and greater energy efficiency. But where will this technology have the most impact? In military operations, drones equipped with this AI can infiltrate dense urban areas, forests, or caves without GPS, making them ideal for surveillance and targeted operations in enemy territory. In disaster zones, such drones could autonomously fly through collapsed buildings or volcanic vents to locate survivors or assess structural damage without risking human life. Filmmakers could benefit immensely by capturing dramatic aerial sequences without the need for expert drone operators. Even in space exploration, this tech could allow drones to navigate unstructured environments on other planets far beyond GPS coverage. Despite these breakthroughs, the system is not without limitations. It still requires pre-mapped environments and lacks real-time adaptability to unfamiliar terrain. Coordinating multiple drones in swarm operations also remains a complex challenge, but researchers are already working on real-time environment learning and collaborative swarm behavior, which could soon lead to drone fleets that function as intelligent, coordinated teams. This development is more than a leap in drone agility, it's a glimpse into the future of autonomous flight, where machines think like birds, adapt like humans, and execute with precision we've never seen before. Zhejiang University's algorithm doesn't just compete with the best pilots, it leaves them in the dust. So, what does this mean for you? Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a filmmaker, a defense strategist, or someone who simply loves innovation, this is the kind of game-changing advancement that reshapes industries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement fuels this channel and helps us bring you more deep dives into the technologies.